Welcome to AI Frontiers, exploring the AI language revolution. Insights from 60 papers dated December 8th to 9th, 2025 highlight cutting-edge advances in AI's understanding of human communication, featuring psychological modeling, hallucination fixes, and healthcare applications. Today, insights from 60 fresh papers on computation and language are unpacked, revealing AI's evolving grasp on nuanced human interaction. From empathetic chatbots to reliable medical tools, these studies push boundaries. Themes, key findings, and future paths are explored in an engaging narrative. Get ready for insights that bridge technology and real-world impact. One pivotal study involves AI mirroring personalities for personalized experiences. Computation and language merges computer science with linguistics to enable machines to process natural language. The core focus includes understanding grammar, semantics, and context for tasks like translation and chatbots. Neural networks are drawn upon to handle vast data, powering voice assistants and search engines. Significance lies in enhancing AI reliability, reducing biases, and supporting global communication. Recent papers highlight large language models tackling real challenges like healthcare and ethics. A key theme is how large language models adapt to personalities such as optimistic or cautious for empathetic interactions. Vasiliuk and colleagues introduced the MindShift benchmark to test trait consistency in prompts. This builds toward personalized therapy bots that feel truly human-like. It is supported by studies on role-playing to enhance emotional adaptability. The theme connects to broader AI empathy, reducing generic responses. Focus is placed on spotting and fixing invented facts in model outputs for reliable applications. Xiong and colleagues' RAGLens uses sparse autoencoders to detect unfaithful generations. Sparse autoencoders serve as a technique decomposing model features to reveal error patterns, explained as neural detectors for anomalies. Pengqian Liu and colleagues attribute probabilities to sources, improving anomaly spotting. This is vital for fact-heavy tasks like legal or search AI. The theme extends to self-correction methods, such as models debating their own outputs. Integration with retrieval-augmented generation grounds facts externally. Evidence from multiple papers shows up to 20% error reduction. Hallucinations are addressed through deeper layer clustering for targeted fixes. Large language models are applied to analyze medical records for safe, accurate recommendations. Han and colleagues' KG-LLM uses knowledge graphs to process pediatric dental notes. Knowledge graphs function as structured data networks linking entities, simplifying complex information retrieval like a mind map for AI. Unsafe suggestions are reduced by integrating safety checks. Precise tools for diagnostics and patient care are promoted. Vasiliuk and colleagues show 15% improvement in large language model personality adaptation via role-playing. Han and colleagues achieve 7% higher accuracy in antibiotic recommendations, having risks. Xiong and colleagues detect hallucinations better with sparse autoencoders in deeper layers. Tong Wu and colleagues boost reasoning by 24.5% and speed by 4.6 times through parallel methods. Valavakilian and colleagues reveal that the last 96 tokens suffice for 75 to 80% of long context predictions. Retrieval-augmented generation grounds outputs in external data, boosting accuracy but adding latency, as seen in works by Xiong and colleagues and Han and colleagues. Reinforcement learning optimizes behaviors via rewards, adaptable yet compute-intensive, as in Tong Wu and colleagues. Curriculum learning progresses from simple to complex tasks for stable training, as in Ohlagi and colleagues. Sparse autoencoders dissect internals for interpretability. Revealing failure patterns. Neurosymbolic approaches combine neural nets with logic for explainable reasoning, as in Feng Liang and colleagues. MindShift, analyzing language models' reactions to psychological prompts, by Vasiliuk and colleagues is selected for its novelty in benchmarking large language model personality adaptation, impacting empathetic AI. Trait consistency is probed using psychological prompts and scales. 15% higher accuracy in emulating human-like responses is achieved. The paper represents the psychological modeling theme with broad therapy applications. Knowledge-guided large language model for automatic pediatric dental record understanding and safe antibiotic recommendation by Han and colleagues is chosen for its representativeness in healthcare, fusing graphs for safe medical AI. Entity recognition and safety pipelines are integrated for accurate recommendations. Unsafe suggestions are reduced by 50% on real dental records. Domain-specific adaptations with high practical impact are highlighted. Native Parallel Reasoner. Reasoning in Parallelism via Self-Distilled Reinforcement Learning by Tong Wu and colleagues is selected for efficiency innovations, enabling faster reasoning without teachers. Self-distillation and policy optimization are used for parallel thinking. A 24.5% performance gain and 4.6 times speedup are delivered. The paper exemplifies the optimization theme, democratizing AI for everyday use. Multi-agent systems are expected for real-time hallucination debates and complex task handling. Deeper interpretability aims to eliminate biases in multilingual contexts. Hybrid models are anticipated to expand to fields like law with domain graphs. Data scarcity and compute costs are addressed through efficient training. Inclusive datasets are needed to close cultural gaps in global AI applications. This synthesis was created using AI tools including GPT-Grok, using model Grok 40709, TTS synthesis using OpenAI, and image generation using Google. Paper summaries are combined into a cohesive narrative for accessibility. While the synthesized content underwent review by a human expert, it is important to acknowledge that some oversights may still exist. All references are provided. Balanced coverage of themes and findings is ensured. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more cutting-edge AI research updates. The title is AI Frontiers. Stay ahead with weekly dives into the arXiv preprint server's latest papers. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Do not miss the next episode. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer, this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.